How to buy Elon's new stablecoin token. So this token came under the symbol of xMoney. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research, and also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply it goes below, find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 8 hours ago and increased by 100% in less than 4 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's mean your investment in a safe place. And this token trading right now in number 2 in this token transaction. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Click here to copy the token address and open your funds wallet. For that, click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address, as you can see. So click on your token here and here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. After that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all that information here and click on stop, and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy xMoney. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.